Hello, everyone, and welcome to Clarion Tech Sites, your 5 minutes window into the minds of the tech wizards at Clarion Technologies. I am Amit Hiremat, and in this series, we are pulling back the curtain on the real stories behind the code. Every episode, you will hear from the people building the future, solving customer problems, breaking tech barriers, and driving innovation one sprint at a time. Whether it's a breakthrough on a cloud migration or an AI powered solution for internal ops or customer business, our teams got stories that will inspire, surprise, and maybe even spark an idea or two for your own projects. Ready to dive in? Let's get into it. Today, we're joined by Vishal and Nidhi. Nidhi is from AI practice, and Vishal is a tech lead from our BI practice. Thank you for joining me today, Vishal and Nidhi. Could you please quickly introduce yourself and tell us about the project or initiative that we are going to discuss today?
Yeah, thanks, Amit. I am Nidhi, part of the AI practice at Clarion Technologies. My focus is on building AI-driven solutions that help customer extract meaningful insights from complex data. So today we will be discussing a pharmacy reimbursement project that we worked on, where we developed a data-driven solution to not only analyze patterns in drug reimbursement, but also to help our client optimize profitability.
Interesting. Vishal?
Yeah. Hi, my name is Vishal. I am a tech lead with BI Practice. I specialize in business intelligence and data analytics, helping organizations make data-driven decisions. Talking about this project, we focus on understanding how different pharmacy benefit managers, called as PBMs, reimburse for various national drug code, which is called as NDC. By analyzing historic reimbursement data, we are able to identify key trends and uncover patterns like seasonal fluctuations in reimbursement rate, difference in reimbursement strategies.
Oh, that's interesting. So, what was the problem we were trying to solve for the customer?
So our client needed to understand how PBMs set reimbursement rate to maximize their profit by identifying which NDC PBM combination were most profitable and detect any anomalies.
Oh, and why do you think that was critical? And how was it impacting the customer's business?
Yeah. So this happens to be a critical issue because the current process picks up the NDCs which has the lowest cost but does not look at the reimbursement which is being paid by the PBM. This causes loss to the company by not selecting the most profitable NDC. So that's why it becomes the crucial issue.
I understand. That's good. And how did you approach to solve this problem? Can you just walk us through the key steps, please?
Yeah, sure. So we analyzed the client's goal, understood the data, and then used Power BI and Excel. And the main key is K means clustering model to identify the most profitable NDCs. This involved Python data processing on about 5 million records.
Oh, that's humongous. Wow. And were there any particular technologies or methodologies you found you helpful in this situation?
Yes, definitely. So we heavily rely on the clustering models, Python, Power Automate for automation, Power BI for visualization, custom connectors, and agile methodology were the main keys.
Got it. Got it. And what was the final solution and how did it impact the customer team?
Okay, the final solution actually helped pharmacists select the most profitable NDC based on the PBM reimbursement trend.
Mhm.
The machine learning model was crucial in identifying these NDCs. This will be integrated into DRX system, significantly improving the profit margins. So here is the impact is quite significant as by selecting the right NDC, we have the most profit margin even if the unit cost of the drug is on the higher side.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
And when you say DRX system, it's an internal system of the customer.
Yeah, that's the internal system of the
Got it.
customer where the
Got it.
pharmacy should be logging in.
Got it. Understand. And can you share any specific results or matrices that can help us demonstrate success?
Okay, so for that we have few. We measure the profit based on old profit and new profit. The profit which we see by using this model is on an average of 60% for the top 100 drugs based on the frequency.
Oh,
So in some cases, I see that it moved from 68K USD dollar to 290K USD dollar. So there
oh,
you see a huge difference by using this model.
that's interesting. That's very nice. And what were the biggest challenges during implementation that you faced, and how did you come overcome them?
Yeah, so that's challenging. So understanding the complexity of US pharmacy reimbursement was a big challenge. We
Hmm.
tackle this through client meetings, extracting business knowledge from the data, and refining the logic also required several iterations.
Got it.
Adding to that, we also face data inconsistency across PBM, which we solved using data normalization. Visualization was also crucial for stakeholder understanding. So that is what I want
Right.
to say adding to that.
I understand. I think the data inconsistency is a major challenge when we are talking about any AI projects. Thank you.
Absolutely.
What lessons did you learn from this project, and how would you apply it in future initiatives?
Okay. So one of the biggest challenge what I can say is again data inconsistency across PBMs.
Hmm.
We overcome this by applying data normalization techniques. So before running this clustering model, we ensure that the data is properly segmented. We
Got it.
also learned during this process that visualization is very key to the success of this project. Like
Mhm.
providing interactive dashboards help stakeholders understand the actual value, which brings us if we select the right NDC compared to the older NDC which we have. So
Nice.
here I want to say visualization is very key.
Got it. What's next for you both and the teams that you're working with? Are there any exciting projects that are coming up?
Yeah, exactly. So we are working on a more complex project related to the price code
Uh-huh.
involving significant data analysis and new technologies. Lots of new technologies are there.
Cool. Okay.
The current project, which is called as Price Code Project, is progressing very well. I say it because we received positive feedbacks. It is set to reduce the time of generating a price code from 4 days to under 30 days. So that actually we received in one of our weekly calls, and that is the statement from our customer, which is the end user for that price code tool.
Great, great, great. So here it is. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Clarent Tech Sites. A big thank you to Nidhi and Vishal for walking us through how they deliver a meaningful impact through technology. If today's story sparked your curiosity, there's more coming your way. In our next episode, we'll dive into another fascinating challenge that demanded both creative thinking and cutting edge tech. Please don't miss it. Also, if you liked what you heard, hit the follow button and share it with our fellow tech enthusiasts. And if you're curious about how Clarion can help your business tackle any complex tech problems, please check us out at clariontech.com. Until next time, stay curious and stay innovative. Thank you.
Thank you.